Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 from year 2010 to year 2018. If you want to see how to remove, how to replace rear seat, guys, we're talking about the upper rear seat, lower rear seat. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Common mistakes people make. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe. So guys, make sure to stay till the end. You may have folding seat or you may have, guys, one standard seat. Stay with us, we'll explain about each one of those. So guys, the lower seat, how do you remove it, guys? Okay, now you don't have any bolts, any screws, anything like that. So what you guys need to do right here, if you come, okay, you're going to grab your seat on the front right side and you're going to lift up. Okay, there is one clip going in a spring, you will see, and you get on this side. You don't need to push back, you don't need to push forward, you just need to pull straight up. When you guys do that, the next step, you see the seat belts here. Okay, we need to make sure we lift up. When we lift up like this one, it's gonna be pretty bad here. We never cleaned since we bought the car underneath it. That's why we're switching seats and we want to see what it looks like. But now we're going to remove all the belts, guys. Okay, all the belts that are right here. So that's gonna be a little bit tight here, but eventually, guys, okay, it will come out. Okay, just like this one. And the lower seat, okay, practically, guys, okay, we're able to remove it. Okay, you can see just like this one. This is the bottom piece. Now you see those springs right here. Okay, those springs, guys, okay, they're touching these metal clips right there. Let us show you. Okay, these metal clips. So that's the only thing holding the lower seat on BMW F10 rear lower seat F10 F11. So guys, here now with the Torx 50 start looking bit, we're going to remove that bolt that we see right here. We have one just like this one on this side. Okay, so this one comes out and now that piece will be able, okay, to pull it out. Here everything needs to be washed and cleaned later. Okay, let me see what is still holding there. It got stuck. Perfect, that piece is out. Now we need to continue with the next step. There could be two differences now, if you have folding seats or non-folding seats. So what we're going to do, we have folding seats, we're going to go ahead, open the trunk, we're going to fold our seats. Okay, you have the handles here. Let me go ahead, pull them. We're going to inspect everything here, okay, and see exactly, okay, exactly where all the bolts and everything that we need is located. So guys, if you have the folding seats, now what you need to do, okay, open your seat. Now you're going to grab on the top. Okay, there is one clip, then you lift up. It comes out, you have these two clips here. That one goes right there. The big one goes here. And that one on top goes right there. Now, the same thing needs to be done, guys, okay, to the other side. So let me come on the other side and I'll show you what we're gonna do here. Okay, let me just get in. And same thing, let me close that seat. Once we close the seat, we're going to grab that piece. It comes up, it comes out. Then we need to have a few bolts removed. Let's go ahead, do that quick. Okay, you're gonna see in a second. So we need to get now the torque 50, torques 50. Okay, that's extremely tight. Let me see if I have the ratchet right there. We're going to grab it quickly. Then, okay, let me see now. Okay, perfect, this one came loose. It's out. Same thing needs to happen to this side. Out. Now, guys, we need to go ahead, grab the seat. Let me see here in the middle. We might have another one holding. Okay, I want to see here quickly. I don't remember if we had another one in the middle or not. I need to double check that. Let me see for a second. I think we have 2 more bolts right here in the middle that we need to access, and how we access those. Okay, I think we need to pull these clips so we can get to them. Let me see for a second, because the seat, okay, I don't think it's going to come out like that. Nope. We'll need to remove the other 2 bolts in the middle right here, but I'm trying not to break our insulation piece here. And let me see if we can lift it up. The belt is in the way a little bit on top. What else is holding it? Just the clips on the other side. We'll remove them and we will continue. So let's see if we can. Okay, I need to release the seat on the. Okay, here on the passenger side, on the driver's side, here we're going to pull these clips out. Okay, let me see. Why this one doesn't want to come out? Okay, it did come out eventually. So the middle piece comes out, then you pull the rest of it. One here, one on this side. Okay, and one right there. So 2 more on this side. Okay, perfect. And here as well. Now we need to go on this side. Okay, perfect. Then let me see, we still will not be able to pull that piece all the way, I believe, because it attaches right here. Let me check quick. Okay, I think the correct way for this thing to come up now is to remove the belt on the bottom. From what I see, the belts are the only thing holding it right here, so we can lift it up. Otherwise, okay, even if we remove these clips, we still will not be able to do that, guys. So here for the belts, okay, what do we need to do? It is the same torques. Okay, pretty loose in that one, pretty loose in the next one too. Perfect. Now let's go ahead, remove it, remove the next one, and I think we'll have enough room to do that. And here we do have 2 small torques bolts that will need to come out. How they even got them there, that's a different question. Okay, that's right there, torques 30 bolts that we need to remove. We'll get the 2 and we'll continue. So guys, even if we remove the bottom piece, this one here, the carpet steel, it's impossible to get to it, but we found a trick. You grab the driver's seat, you pull it a little bit up, turn it, okay, Okay, it's going to come out. You just turn. Okay, it's coming out. You can see that one is out. And now at that point you can remove, okay, this one out as well. So the whole seat is out of the car just like that. So guys, the top seat is about to come out. One piece right here. We are getting the second one now. Okay, on the other side. Let me show you here. Okay, this is the second one. It's out here, guys. So practically that's how we remove the rear seat on BMW F10 F11. So guys, if you have the standard seats, it's different than the folding seat. You don't need to remove the sides right here because they're already attached. And here on the back, you just have, come here, I'll show you with the camera. It has only two metal clips that it attaches to. And on the bottom, the only thing that you have right here is two bolts, guys. Okay, this bolt and that bolt right here. You remember that little piece that we removed on the bottom in the middle between the two seats? This seat doesn't have that one. Those are the only bolts that you will guys need to remove it. So yeah guys, that's how we remove the seat. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.